Second is the tropical deciduous forest, also called as the monsoon forest, and it is the most widespread forest in India. Well, it is found in the areas which receive a rainfall between 70 to 200 centimeters, and actually it is divided into moist and dry division. When I talk of the wet division, then the areas which I include are Jharkhand, Orissa and Chhattisgarh. Here they receive a rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeters. Sal, shisham and bamboo, kusum and mulberry are the major kinds of trees which are found in the moist tropical deciduous forest. As I said, it is divided into two. The second is the dry deciduous forest, receiving rainfall between 70 to 100 centimeters, and the areas are Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Teak, peepal and neem are the kinds of trees which are found in the dry deciduous division. Lion, tiger, pig and elephant are the animals found in the tropical deciduous forest, and lizards, snakes and tortoise are also very common. So remember, it is the most widespread forest in India, and the division is between the moist and the dry. Moist between 100 to 200 centimeters, and the rainfall in dry deciduous is anything between 70 to 100 centimeters.